Prefab homes are homes that are built in factories and then shipped and assembled on site. Prefab homes are a great way to save time, money, and resources while also enjoying a high quality and customized living space. In this video, we will show you 14 of the best luxury prefab homes that you can find around the world. Let's get started. The first luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Blu Homes Breezehouse. This is a stunning and spacious home that is designed to maximize natural light and ventilation. The Blu Homes Breezehouse offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a garage. The home also has a signature feature called the Breeze Space, which is a large sliding glass wall that opens up to a deck and a garden. The Blu Homes Breezehouse is made from steel frames and panels that are durable, energy efficient, and eco-friendly. The home can be customized to fit different climates, terrains, and preferences. The next luxury prefab home we want to share with you is the Huff House Art 5. This is a stylish and elegant home that is made from timber and glass. The Huff House Art 5 offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a carport. The home also has a distinctive feature called the Huff House Post and Beam Construction, which is a system of wooden beams and columns that create an open and airy space. The Huff House Art 5 is made from high-quality materials that are sustainable, fire-resistant, and soundproof. The home can be customized to fit different styles, colors, and layouts. The third luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Turkle Design Axiom 2340. This is a sleek and modern home that is designed to blend in with the environment. The Turkle Design Axiom 2340 offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a study. The home also has a signature feature called the Turkle Design System, which is a system of prefabricated panels that are easy to assemble and install. The Turkle Design Axiom 2340 is made from wood and metal that are durable, low maintenance, and recyclable. The home can be customized to fit different sites, orientations, and functions. The fourth luxury prefab home we want to show you is the MIMA House. This is a minimalist and modular home that is designed to be flexible and adaptable. The MIMA House offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room, and a dining room. The home also has a unique feature called the MIMA System, which is a system of movable walls that can create different spaces and configurations. The MIMA House is made from lightweight materials that are easy to transport and assemble. The home can be customized to fit different sizes, shapes, and finishes. The fifth luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Stillwater Dwellings SD121. This is a beautiful and cozy home that is designed to connect with nature. The Stillwater Dwellings SD121 offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a dining room. The home also has a signature feature called the Stillwater Dwellings Butterfly Roof, which is a roof that slopes upward from both sides to create a butterfly shape. The Stillwater Dwellings SD121 is made from wood and glass that are sustainable, energy efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. The home can be customized to fit different climates, views, and lifestyles. The sixth luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Living Homes C6. This is an affordable and eco-friendly home that is designed to have a low environmental impact. The Living Homes C6 offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a dining room. The home also has a unique feature called the Living Homes Z6 Environmental Goals, which are 6 goals that aim to reduce water use, energy use, waste generation, carbon emissions, indoor air pollution, and environmental degradation. The Living Homes C6 is made from recycled materials that are durable, healthy, and recyclable. The home can be customized to fit different budgets, locations, and preferences. The 7th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Method Homes Option Series. This is a versatile and customizable home that is designed to offer multiple options and configurations. The Method Homes Option Series offers various floor plans, sizes, and styles that can suit different needs and tastes. The home also has a standard feature called the Method Homes Quality Standards, which are a set of standards that ensure high-quality construction, performance, and design. The Method Homes Option Series is made from wood and metal that are strong, efficient, and attractive. The home can be customized to fit different sites, climates, and functions. The 8th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Wehouse. This is a compact and charming home that is designed to be simple and efficient. The Wehouse offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, and a dining room. The home also has a distinctive feature called the Wehouse Module, which is a prefabricated unit that can be stacked or combined to create different spaces and layouts. The Wehouse is made from wood and glass that are sustainable, low maintenance, and beautiful. The home can be customized to fit different sites, views, and personalities. The 9th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Coda. This is a futuristic and smart home that is designed to be movable and adaptable. The Coda offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, and a dining room. The home also has a special feature called the Coda technology, which is a system of sensors, controllers, and software that monitor and optimize the home's performance and comfort. The Coda is made from concrete and glass that are durable, energy efficient, and elegant. The home can be customized to fit different locations, orientations, and functions. The 10th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Bamboo Living Homes. This is an exotic and natural home that is designed to be harmonious and sustainable. The Bamboo Living Homes offer various models, sizes, and styles that are inspired by different cultures and climates. The home also has a unique feature called the Bamboo Living Construction System, which is a system of bamboo poles and joints that create a strong and flexible structure. The Bamboo Living Homes are made from bamboo and other natural materials that are renewable, biodegradable, and beautiful. The home can be customized to fit different sites, environments, and lifestyles. The 11th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Kudo. This is a modular and multifunctional home that is designed to be versatile and practical. The Kudo offers various modules that can serve different purposes, such as living, working, relaxing, or entertaining. The home also has a standard feature called the Kudo Smart Home System, which is a system of devices and apps that control and automate the home's functions and features. The Kudo is made from wood and glass that are durable, efficient, and stylish. The home can be customized to fit different sites, scenarios, and needs. The 12th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Cabin Spacey. This is a minimalist and urban home that is designed to be compact and convenient. The Cabin Spacey offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, and a rooftop terrace. The home also has a special feature called the Cabin Spacey Smart Home System, which is a system of sensors, cameras, and speakers that connect and secure the home. The Cabin Spacey is made from wood and metal that are lightweight, low cost, and attractive. The home can be customized to fit different rooftops, views, and preferences. The 13th luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Muji Hut. This is a cozy and rustic home that is designed to be simple and functional. The Muji Hut offers 1 room that can be used as a bedroom, a living room, or a studio. The home also has a basic feature called the Muji Hut concept, which is a concept of creating a small and simple space that can offer comfort and freedom. The Muji Hut is made from wood that is natural, warm, and durable. The home can be customized to fit different landscapes, seasons, and moods. The 14th and final luxury prefab home we want to show you is the Revolution Precrafted Pavilion. This is an artistic and creative home that is designed by famous architects and artists. The Revolution Precrafted Pavilion offers various models that each have different shapes, sizes, and styles. The home also has an exclusive feature called the Revolution Precrafted Branding, which is a branding of creating high-end prefabricated homes that showcase design excellence and innovation. The Revolution Precrafted Pavilion is made from various materials that are premium, cutting-edge, and stunning. The home can be customized to fit different sites, themes, and aspirations. These are the 14 luxury prefab homes that we wanted to share with you today. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments which luxury prefab home you liked the most and why. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.